Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to simulate Arduino with an LED project. So in this video we are building an LED chaser. One of the tools we are using is Tinkercad, so which we can create an account with Tinkercad at tinkercad.com. Or I already have an account, so if you can see I've done some project there. So what you just need to do is click on new project, then select circuit, then automatically a a plain workspace will be created. Then select your specific components we'll be working with, which we are working with Arduino and LED light. So which will select couple of LED lights, and then give it a different color, so that we can, being able to identify if the simulation is working. So which you can change just the color you prefer. So let's work with 5 LEDs. So I need to, making my green, so I'm selecting another one, which I'll make it orange. Then I think let's pick one more. Should make that one white. So let's align those LED together properly. Let's so does not really matter, but just that we just have to do it. So I think it's time for us to start wiring our connection. So selecting black for negative. So negative of all LEDs will be connected to negative pin of Arduino. So that's what we are going to do. So first LED negative, the cathode pin is connected to the cathode pin, or the negative pin to Arduino. The same as the next LED, which on my screen we are using yellow, is connected to negative pin. Also green cathode is connected to the negative pin of Arduino. So and so on. So that's how our LEDs will be connected to negative pin of Arduino. So after connecting all the LEDs to the negative pin of Arduino, it's time for us to connect the LED pins to the digital pins that we'll be working with in our Arduino board. So we are going to make use of two digital pins, which is 13, and the LED pin red and green is connected to pin 13 of Arduino. Then we should make use of sorry, I think we'll move that. Let's make use of red and green. So selecting yellow wire for the next connection, which is on pin 12. So we're using pin 12. So by default orange and so connected to pin 13. So the last one, I think we should connect it together with on pin 13. Okay, that's what we'll do. But maybe we change the color coding of the wire. That doesn't really matter. So by default your screen will be on block coding, so we are changing it to text so that it will be a proper the way our Arduino environment is. So It's time for us to start coding. By default, your void setup is where you put your code that run once. Then your void loop is where you write your code that run repeatedly. So if you can see, declining an integer. So the integer is where we're going to assign our digital pin to to a certain pins, outputs. I mean, so if your integer LED pin A is equal to pin 13, so we are setting pin 13 for an LED pin. So we are using pin 13 and pin 12. So that's why we are giving it an integer for LED pin A to equal to 13 and LED pin B is equal to 12. Then it's time for us to write our void setup. So our void setup in P mode, and we said P mode 13 is setting our pin 13 to be an output. Okay, so same, we set our P mode, that is pin 12, to be also an output. So I think we are done with our void setup. So let's move to void loop, where our codes will run. So which you say digital write 13 high. This simply means turn on pin 13. So all the LEDs connected to pin 13 will turn on. Then the delay code there said delay 1000. So this simply means the should stay for a second, then it will turn off. Pin 13 will go off for another seconds. That's digital write pin 13 low. So what we are going to do here now, according to the code, we are saying digital write pin 13 low, then digital write pin 12 high. So that means anytime pin 13 is high, by default pin 12 will be low. Then it will wait for a second, and once digital write pin 13 is low, then pin 12 will be high. So okay, I'm sorry, we just want to make use of a good color here, good color code of our wires, which does not really matter, but just to differentiate between the pins. So let's quickly do a simulation. Well, yeah, let me zoom up a little bit. Okay, we can see we are done with our LED chaser. So guys, if you want me to come up with another video on Arduino programming, or Arduino project, or firmware development, anything that have to do with electronics and programming, just give a comment in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.